before you prescribe any regime, try to classify your case. Now in older times, in revised National Tuberculosis Control Program, the cases were divided into 5 categories. Initially 3 categories, later on 4 and 5 was added. When the program started, there were 3 categories. Later on, 4 and 5 was added for drug-resistant cases. So category 1 was new cases but sputum positive. Category 2 was retreatment cases, which included relapse, defaulter, treatment failure on. Category 3 was sputum negative cases and extrapulmonary tuberculosis, less severe forms. Category 4 MDR TB. I will not go into the details of the definition because that you can see in the books. I just want to give you the concepts today. Category 4 was HDR TB. But this classification was changing. In 2010, category 3 was removed. In 2018, the category 2 was also removed. And now these all categories have been abolished, and now the different classification we are using to treat tuberculosis. But you should know this because it has been there in the working for last 20 years, more than 20 years. So you should know. The examiner may ask, or you should know what was the scenario previously. Now, nowadays the current classification of tubercular cases in National Tuberculosis Elimination Program is only 2 categories, whether it is a drug susceptible TB or drug sensitive TB or drug resistant TB. Drug resistant TB can further be redefined into mono drug resistant TB, poly drug resistant TB, MDR TB, HDR TB and mixed pattern DR TB. So I think you can go for these definitions in the literature. There is nothing to be explained. There is just to cram up. So, but here what I will like to explain you mixed pattern that sometimes creates confusion, because when you read this mixed pattern may be missed in the definition. Mixed pattern is nothing but MDR TB with drug resistance other than fluoroquinolones and second line aminoglycosides. If any other drug is in the resistant pattern, then it is labeled as mixed pattern drug resistance, because that case will not fit into any of the drug resistance. Mono, poly, MDR, HDR, that case will not fit in that. So that's why this definition mixed pattern DRTB has been created in the literature. Clear? So now there are 2 categories. When you start treatment, try to find out whether your case is drug sensitive or drug resistance.